These are the days of the open hand. There will not be the last. Look around now. These are the days of the beggars and the choosers. This is the year of the hungry man. This place is in the past, and in hand with ignorance and legitimate excuses. The rich neglect themselves poor, and most of us are not sure. If we have too much, we'll take our chances. God's not keeping score. I guess somewhere along the way, He must have let us all how to play. Turn His back, and all God's children crept out the back door. It's hard to love, there's so much to hate, and yet on to hope. When there is no hope to speak of, the moonlit skies above say it's much too late. Well, maybe we should all be brave for time. These are the days of the empty hand. Oh, you hold on to what you can. And charity is a coat to wear twice a year. This is the year of the guilty man. Your television takes a stand, and you find that what was over there is over here. So you scream from behind your door, say what's mine is mine and not yours. I may have too much, but I'll take my chances, 'cause God's not keeping score. And you cling to the things they sold you. Did you cover your eyes when they told you that you can't come back, 'cause He has no children to come back for? It's hard to love, there's so much to hate, and get on to hope. When there is no hope to speak of, in the moonlit skies above say it's much too late. So maybe we should all be brave for time. Whoa.